In the video today, I'm showing you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the keypad, type in star pound 06 and pound. This will show you the IMEI information. You're going to write down that IMEI you see in the first slot right here. We'll use that in the next step of the video. Next, we're going to go to Google Chrome to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts. Starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Samsung. Then the model, you're going to go down to Galaxy Z. It's a pretty big list here. So Galaxy Z. Swipe down and fill out the next set of prompts. So the country you purchased the phone in, the carrier, which is AT&T, and you're going to input the IMEI that we got in the first step of the video, and then you'll tap Unlock Now. And then it will take you to the page to check out and pay. It will cost $27.99 for them to help you unlock the phone. And just for some notes here, they do give you a time frame. The average delivery turnaround time is anywhere from 1 hour to up to 72 hours. That's because the process to unlock phones does vary depending on the carrier, and the steps do change from time to time. So that's why the time frame can vary depending on when they will respond with your unlocking instructions. Now, one thing I like about this website, they do have multiple options at the top of the website here to reach out to the company if you need to follow up on your order. There's a number to call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So you have 4 different ways to contact if you have a question or you need to check up on something with your order. Once you finalize the unlock, you'll want to take out your SIM card and put in the SIM card of the new service you want to use the phone with. It will prompt the phone to restart, and then you should be good to go. All right. I'll leave the link below to the website so you guys can check it out. This will work for not just the Z Fold 8, but it'll work for just about any phone. When you go on the website, you can select all the manufacturers and all the phone models to see the full list of phones you can unlock. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.